How to transfer money from UniCredit to Revolut. Start by opening your UniCredit mobile banking app and logging into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough funds available. Next, open the Revolut app and go to Accounts, Details. Here you'll find the IBAN and SWIFT BIC code for your Revolut account. Write them down or copy them, you'll need them for the transfer. Go back to the UniCredit app, select Payments or Transfer Money, and tap New Beneficiary. Enter the Revolut account details carefully. Name your full name as on Revolut. IBAN from Revolut. SWIFT BIC provided by Revolut. Choose the amount you want to send. Confirm the payment using your UniCredit security code or e-identifier. Transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days. Thanks for watching.